Today's video is a review and update of dancehall artist Clymaxx, who is the baby mother of one of dancehall's biggest underground lyricists, who has evolved to a top-tier artist, Masicka. I will also touch on the lyrical war that everyone wants to see, Masicka versus Aidonia. Here's a sample of a performance Clymaxx and Masicka did on Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall 2016.
And the Clymaxx, you know, chop. Connecting like wireless and mobile devices, my rising, ignited in a pool face, my pointing, where we go like them, God, that's some the Magnum. I'll show you quicker than I can down them,
come right here, sir. A bad people, you know it. You don't know that. You see from them violator, you see the blood clot return. Walk down and they say they
With the lyrical war brewing between Masicka and Fort Genna, indirectly Aidonia, Masicka basically wanted to get at Aidonia, but Aidonia sent out his soldier, Governor aka Diablo, instead to deal with the situation. But apparently Masicka did not even view Governor as a worthy competitor and wanted to chop off the head of the snake instead. Clymaxx felt froggy and decided to take up the war, whether by direct orders from Masicka or on her own. Here are a few of the songs that she released aimed directly at Aidonia and Fort Genna, Fourth Generation Camp.
Clymaxx the greatest, serious like a AIDS test. Talk about fuck and still broke pussy, even own a paycheck. Shoes when me use if you feel it by a payless. I dima give a crack skull and tear flesh. Chop on my place in a song, trace in a song, don't ya back up. That means say you're bracing a man. J.O.P. said them catch up and tape in a tongue, in a face shot paste in a man. Me not see up on ER, me not see up on stage. Nobody wouldn't know you if they didn't call you on stage. The target is inside, killing time. Me squeeze it repeatedly, beat it till skin fly. Notorious, glorious. Oh, them see me in life, but if them fit this face I live, I'm not talking like him style. Me feel like we invite him a gift to do the crime scene. Left unorthodox, my corner that start for club. Sound alone, make them get heart attack. I show my shot, them get back and talk a lot. Lift them there, target practice.
Clymaxx is a versatile artist and is building up her resume with other songs other than Clash songs, as it is common knowledge that Clash songs are good for a sting, but are not really career builders or crossover songs for longevity in the business. Here are a few samples of those songs.
No joke, na in a my thing, coke na in a my thing. Strictly high grade, we make my float well like a pigeon. It make my horse, so never must sing, but my smoking everything. Grab it up, acting it don't know that ready for swing. I make my puff it till my brain go far away. You know one a day, a grand a day, my smoke and float away. No joke away, no choke away, just puff and smoke away. High grade every day, so we just a puff and roll up. Puff and roll up. Pandy tap, pandy pint near me, couple guineas of ability. Anytime him a visit, ma make him feel good. Sweat was in a Pacific, pretty like diamond. The body with Timon. Turn him na disciple and him name a diva Simon. Suck my life Bible, read between the line and my wine. And then rain fall and wet up every dry line. Him ask all my good up, good up, good up, good up. Women neat and fine. Oh my good up, good up, good up, good up.
Clymaxx is a lyrical artist in her own right and has the ability to write any rhythm better than most of her male counterparts. Since she has won the Queen title in Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, she has released at least 4 credible songs and demolished countless stage shows locally, with ambitions of doing it big internationally also. We must all remember that Clash is a part of the culture of dancehall that will add street credibility to any up-and-coming artist. While there's a genuine dislike between Masicka and Aidonia, we must not look at this as a personal war between Clymaxx and Aidonia or Fort Genna, just as show business or friendly lyrical warfare. I doubt it very much that Aidonia or Fort Genna would ever respond to Clymaxx, as we never usually see male versus female clash. Aidonia or Fort Genna has nothing to gain to clash with Clymaxx. On the other hand, if for some strange reason this clash would actually happen and turn in the favor of Clymaxx, it would be more than likely career ending for Aidonia or Fort Genna. I am not predicting this as a result. I am just saying it as a scenario as far-fetched as winning the Powerball 1 in a billion. I know that everybody wants to see a clash between Aidonia and Masicka, the two lyrical heavyweights, and while they respect Governor and Clymaxx, they are not really as enticing. Dancehall needs a shot in the arm, as the last good clash was between Masicka and Kaleido, with Sting basically dead. Dancehall fans are just waiting and salivating for a good clash. People, let me know what you think about Clymaxx. Is she as good as advertised? Do you think that Masicka and Aidonia should just sign the war contract and come out with guns blazing in an all-out lyrical warfare? Thanks to the artists and producers for allowing me to use their music. I appreciate the link and mutual respect. At the end of the day, it is all about building bridges with the right people and ignoring the desperate attention-seeking tactics of some retards. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.